So we'll start the class with welcome song. Okay, let's see. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome all. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Same as like you. You all are looking very pretty today. The boys are looking handsome and the girls are looking beautiful. Okay. So, kids, now let's sing God's love together. Okay, then we'll start our class. After national anthem, we'll start the class. Start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right, now kids, stand up for national anthem. Then we'll start our activity. After national anthem, we'll start our activity. Come on, everyone. So how to stand? I think I don't have to explain it again and again, Hannah. So while we are singing national anthem or the national anthem is being played anywhere, so you have to stand straight. Yes, very good. Thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now no one is going to move. Start. Jane Gane Mane Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Utkal Bang Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchal Jaladi Tarang तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे Jaya 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 He Jai Hind. All right, sit down. Sit down, everyone. Okay. So, kids, today the date is 9 October 2021. The date is 9 October 2021. And I request to mothers, kindly sit beside your child. Okay, so the date is 9 October 2021 and the day is Saturday. What is the day today? Today is Saturday. All right, kids. Now, as you all know, today we are going to celebrate Navratri and Dashera. So for Dashera, we are going to make craft. And for Navratri, Navratri पर क्या करते हैं हम? Dance, Garba, isn't it? So, first of all, हम वही करेंगे. So, mothers, I request you to join the kids. So, I am going to play one song here. You all have to dance. Okay, and everyone have to dance. मैं देख रही हूँ कोई भी मुझे बैठा हुआ नहीं दिखेगा. ठीक है? All right, mothers, kindly join your kids. चलो, come on. So, it's a celebration. तो हमें सबको मिलकर करना है ना? Come on, kids. Gaurav. Yes. So, अच्छे से आप लोगों को डांस करना है, ठीक है? Come on. You can join, you can ask to join your brother, sister as well. आपके भाई बहन को भी आप कह सकते हो आकर आपके साथ डांस करने के लिए. चलो स्टार्ट करें. All right. Chalo, let's start. Come on. Come on, come on, do. Ishani. Come on, Karunya. Abhyan. Shanvi. Come on. Well done. Very good, everyone. Come on, Prajwal. Do some action. Very good. Kolambili, Mishti. Come on, join everyone. Very nice. Devika, chalo, Rakshansh.
तारे किया भाई न जोगले हवे ही चले
Come on, very good. Well done. Okay. अरे वाह, very nice everyone. Well done. Very good. Very very good. Very nice. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. Very nice. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा डांस करा. Well done. So clap for yourself. Come on. Very very well done. Very good. Very nice to see all this. Well done. Chalo. Now let's start our Dashera activity. ठीक है? So first of all, get your drawing book, बच्चों. Get your drawing book. अच्छा. Now, kids, you know how to write. आप सबको पता है कैसे लिखना है. So first of all, आपकी जो sketch book, आपकी drawing book का जो page है, in that you have to write down the heading. दशहरा activity. ठीक है? DUSSEHRA, Dashera activity. Write down the heading and write down today's date. I really enjoyed all your dance. Very nice. It's so good to see you all dancing. Chalo. And kindly get all the material required. Everyone kindly get all the material required, and mothers, I request you to sit beside child. है ना? So, as he told you to cut the 10 circles of yellow chart paper. Write down the heading and then get all the items required for the activity. Written. Now, get the circles, and we had messaged you that you have to cut 10 circles. One big and the rest are small. And we had mentioned the diameters as well in the message. So kindly get all the circles. अगर नहीं करा है किसी ने cut, then आप अभी cut कर सकते हैं. Yes, I think all had cut earlier only. So, okay, it's what you have to do. You just write down the heading, the Shira activity in your drawing book. Okay, then get Fevicol. अब जो सबसे big वाला circle है, get Fevicol. जो सबसे big वाला circle है, you have to apply Fevicol on the back side of this circle. ठीक है? Look, हमें ये corners नहीं paste करने हैं, सिर्फ middle में लगाइएगा. Okay, you have to apply Fevicol in the middle only. Don't put Fevicol on the corners. You don't have to paste the corners. Okay, then in your drawing book, assume it as a drawing book page. ठीक है? Now you have to paste the circle here. Paste the big circle here. Come on. We have to make this circle the face of Ravan. ठीक है? Now first of all we'll do the pasting work. ठीक है? अब आपने ये जो first circle paste करा है, now one by one आपको सारे small circles paste करने हैं. ठीक है? Apply some Fevicol. 4 circles in one side and 5 circles at the another side. So you have to paste the circle. अच्छा, मैम ने आपको याद हो तो मैम ने कहा था don't stick the corners. तो आपको इसको नीचे पेस्ट करना है, नीचे दबाना है. ठीक है? Look like this. All right? ये जो big वाला circle है ना, उसके नीचे हमें दबाना है. So stick it like this. Come on. Now one by one, you have to apply the Fevicol in circles. Acha, you first we complete this side. ठीक है? Then we'll move to another one. So here we have to stick 4 circles. One we had already stick. Now second. Apply Fevicol and stick. No need to apply too much of Fevicol. ठीक है? Look. हम एक के नीचे एक सबको दबाते जाएंगे like this. Look. Apply Fevicol. One side we have to finish one side. तो one side पर आपको 4 लगाने हैं. And on the another side, we have to stick 5. In total, there are 10 circles we have to paste. Look. 1, 2, 3. One more we have to paste it here. Do not apply more Fevicol. मिष्टी बेटा बाल को पीछे करो आइस पर से. Wear a hairband. Look. So one side we had completed. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles you have to paste along with the one big circle. All right. So one side we had completed. Look. Now, done up to here. So one side we had completed. Now we have to complete the another side. Okay. This side we had sticked 4 circles. Now here we have to stick 5 circles. Okay. So apply small amount of Fevicol, little Fevicol, and stick the circles. Yes. So what you have to do, you have to stick one big circle in the middle. Okay. मिडिल वाला जो सर्कल है उसके कॉर्नर्स पर आपको फेविकोल स्टिक नहीं करना है बिकॉज ये स्मॉल वाले सर्कल्स उसके नीचे हमको दबाने हैं. ठीक है. फिर 1 by 1 आपको एक एक सर्कल पे यू हैव टू अप्लाई फेविकोल, अ लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ फेविकोल एंड स्टिक इट देयर. So you have to stick 4 circles on one side and 5 circles on this side. Tick. Come on. Rachel, done? All the circles? Areva. Very nice. All the 10 circles. Very good. Look. On one side, you have to stick 4 circles. And on the another side, you have to stick 5 circles. Look. Hannah, chalo, show me. Everyone. Acha, Rachel had to show me. Very nice, Rachel. Mishti, bacha, sit properly. Very nice, Kushi, Rakshan, Shimanshi, Abhyan, Divit, Rudraksh, Divisha Dakshita, Riya, Vidit, Kushi. Nice, everyone. Yes. Now, we have to make this big circle, the face of Ravan. ठीक है, हमें जो मिडिल वाला सर्कल है इसको रावण का फेस बनाना है। ओके, सो फेस पर क्या क्या होता है, टेल मी। फेस पर क्या होगा? आईज। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू स्टिक googly eyes there. Come on. First of all, we have to stick googly eyes. Look, है ना, like this. ठीक है, apply some small amount of Fevicol, a very little Fevicol you have to apply, and stick it on the circle. Look. So, एक आई होती है कि 2 आईज होती हैं? मैम ने तो 1 ही लगाई, 2 तो 1 मोर लगानी पड़ेगी ना। तो फिर 1 मोर स्टिक करते, कम ऑन। ठीक है, now get one red color sketch pen. आपके पास स्केच पेन नहीं है तो you can take the crayon as well. Yes ma'am, look. ठीक है, now what we have to do, अब eyes के बाद हम क्या बनाएंगे? Smiley lips, है ना? तो come on, make lips. आपको जैसे भी अच्छे लगे वैसे बनाओ, come on, it's up to you. In this way you can make, look, इस तरह से आप बना सकते हो with red sketch pen. ठीक है, चलो come on, देखते कौन विनर बनता है जल्दी बनाकर। ये I admit. Yeah, yes, very good. Now we have to make a crown. We have to stick a crown over here on the head of the Ravan. So get one golden sheet, and cut a crown out of it. So crown, look everyone, mothers, it's very simple. You just make this kind of curve. Look, this type of crown we have to cut, simple. No need to make any complicated one. You just have to cut this kind of crown. Come on. Children can also cut, but only under the supervision of elder. आप भी cut कर सकते हो if you want, but मम्मी के supervision में सिर्फ, not alone. चलो चलो, come on. Ravan is asking for the crown. Look, I have cut. Now apply some Fevicol on the back side of the sheet, and we have to stick on the head of Ravan here, like this. Chalo, come on. Look. Look everyone. अच्छा now अब ये जो remaining phases है ना, the remaining phases क्या इन पे भी हम फेस बनाएंगे, आईज एंड माउथ एंड ऑल? नो। अब हम इस पर कुछ लिखेंगे अबाउट द रावण, ठीक है? About the nature of Ravan, we have to write down on one circle. So come on, get. If you want to write with pencil, you can write with pencil. If you want to write with sketch pen, you can write. one adjective जो रावण को describe करे मैम यहाँ लिखेंगे on the board. आपको एक एक circle पर उसे लिखना है. You can use the pencil as well. Okay. We are going to write the adjectives. We are going to write the words that describe the nature of Ravan. Acha, one more thing. Get a black sketch pen and make a mustache here. मूछ तो बनाना हम भूल ही गए रावण की. Come on. Look. Without mustache, Ravan is not going to look good, na? So, kids, you have to do one thing. You have to make the mustache and the lips portion on all the circles. आपको सिर्फ mustache और lips वाला portion सारे circles पर बनाना है. ठीक है? चलो, come on. Look, like this. इस तरह से you have to make mustache and the lips on all the circle. Come on, make it. Come on. Now, इतना कंप्लीट करने के बाद अब हम लोग यहाँ पर वर्ड्स लिखेंगे जो रावण को डिस्क्राइब करते हो. ठीक है? तो मैम बोर्ड पर लिखते हैं वर्ड्स, आपको सर्कल्स में लिखना है. स्टार्ट करें. स्मॉल सर्कल्स, ऑन द स्मॉल सर्कल्स यू हैव टू राइट. ठीक है? अब मैम बड़े बना रहे हैं बिकॉज इट मस्ट बी विजिबल टू यू ना. फर्स्ट में आप लिखो एंगर. एंगर मतलब गुस्सा. ANGER, एंगर. और बड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा आई थिंक. एंगर. आई एम नॉट मेकिंग द सर्कल. आप फर्स्ट वाले सर्कल में एंगर लिखो. Look in this way. Anger. Okay. Now you can use the pencil as well. आप pencil भी use कर सकते हो. Now listen. Skip one circle and write down here. एक एक circle को skip करिए. और फिर लिखिए skip this circle and write down here. जो सर्कल हमने स्किप करा है वहां पर हम स्केच पेन से आईज ड्रॉ करेंगे, ठीक है? राइट डाउन इन दिस सर्कल नाउ. हेट, सेकेंड सर्कल पे आपको लिखना है हेट, HATE, हेट. लुक, ये सब किसके बारे में लिख रहे हैं हम? रावण के बारे में. अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ द रावण. एंगर मतलब गुस्सा करना. हेट मीन्स नफरत करना. Now, leave one more circle and write down another adjective here. Means another word for Ravan here. रावण और कैसा था? lie. lie लिखना है हमें, मतलब झूठ बोलना, झूठ बोलता था. Write down na, small, small. The circles are small, smaller than this. Do one thing, अगर सर्कल में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप नीचे लिख दीजिए, सर्कल के नीचे लिख लीजिए. then now लास्ट वाले सर्कल में लिखिए LIE, lie मतलब झूठ बोलना. LIE, lie. झूठ बोलना. जो सर्कल्स हमने स्किप करें, यू मेक आईज देयर. जो हम वर्ड्स लिख रहे हैं, दिस डिस्क्राइब्स द नेचर ऑफ रावण. रावण कैसा था उसको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं ये वर्ड्स. यू हैव टू स्किप वन सर्कल. ठीक है? नाउ ये वाली साइड कंप्लीट हो गई. नाउ कम टू दिस साइड. अब यहां पर हम ये वाले सर्कल में लिखेंगे द फर्स्ट सर्कल. ठीक है? फर्स्ट सर्कल में वी हैव टू राइट ईगो. EGO, ego. Now these are two small spellings. You can write it there. Look. EGO, ego. It is written here. EGO. मैम क्राउन कोई बात नहीं, इजी बनाइए ना, आपको जैसे इजी लगता हो. सिंपल कर एंड अ टिप यू हैव टू मेक. ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं बनाना है क्राउन को. देन आफ्टर राइटिंग ईगो, स्किप वन सर्कल. एक सर्कल आपको छोड़ना है. देन दिस रिमेनिंग सर्कल वी हैव टू राइट ग्रीड. ग्रीड मतलब लालच. ग्रीड, GREED. greed. Greed means lalach. Look. Anger, hate, lie, ego, greed. So because the spelling is not visible from the circle now, that's why I had written on the board. आप बोर्ड पर से देखिए spellings and लिखिए. Anger, hate, lie, ego and greed. You have to skip one circle. हर circle पे नहीं लिखना है हमें. अच्छा, the meeting is about to get over. You kindly join it again. Look. So these are the 10 faces of Ravan, which says the nature of Ravan. All the faces says the nature of Ravan. Ego,